You're watching Chasing News with Bill Spadea.
Welcome back. These twins just pulled off an amazing feat, and they can't wait to tell you about it in just a few minutes. Plus, refusing to put weddings on hold, how one local community is doing whatever it takes. But first, NYCHA residents being promised resources to help them comply with the governor's executive order, maintain hygiene recommended by the CDC, and get COVID-19 testing. Nate Rogers spoke to a resident happy about the promise of supplies.
Bill, 6,900 people live here at the Queensbridge houses in Long Island City. 60% are black, 30% are Hispanic. Earlier today, I caught up with 55-year-old Russell Moore, who lives in one of the buildings. Moore spent 11 days in the hospital on a ventilator after contracting COVID-19 last month.
All I want to do was lay down. So I was going to therapy, and then my wife seen it. She said, "You walking too slow." And I said, I can't breathe. So she said, "Well, let me call your doctor."
Queensbridge is one of 8 New York City public housing developments slated to offer on-site health services, including coronavirus testing. They'll also distribute hand sanitizer and face masks. Moore says at least 5 of his Queensbridge neighbors and friends have died from the virus.
There's a lot of sick people out here. They don't realize it. And, people have it and don't realize they have it. But we need it.
Social distancing can be challenging for folks here because of the landscape and generations of family members confined to one space. Another issue, Moore says, there's a lot of young people who blatantly refuse to cover their faces.
And I tell them, make sure you have your stuff on. And, some people, one guy saw me, he just told me, "Oh man, if I'm going to go, I'm going to go any kind of way." So I said, "You don't know, bro. You don't know unless you was in there."
Now, other developments receiving resources include the Brave Root houses in Brooklyn, the Highbridge, Andrew Jackson, and Eatonwall houses in the Bronx, also Manhattan's Washington houses, and the Hamel and Redfern houses in Queens. Governor Cuomo's office says we should see those resources rolling out before the end of the week. I'm Nate Rogers for Chasing News.